The fluffy mop has a rounded filbert type head, very absorbent fibers. Holds a lot of water. You can use it for washes and for blending. I'm going to add a little bit of water here. And pick up a little bit of yellow, tap it across the top. So I'm going to pull down into that wet area. If you need a brighter color up there, you can add a little bit more of the darker paint. And then I'm just going to go back and forth right over this area here and blend that dark and light color together. First, I'm going to get a little bit of water and put it where I want my candle glow to go. Right up in here. You don't want to mess with it too much while it's wet there in the middle, because you can pull off the color. So once you get your first layer down, just kind of let that dry. And now that this is dry, I can add another layer of color there if I want to. And go ahead and add a little bit of water down here again. Now I'm going to just use this paintbrush with thick paint, a little bit of white with some yellow. I flattened it out, and I'm going to draw in my candle flame with this. And it may go a little fuzzy around the edges, but something like this is perfect. And use a little bit of white and just kind of highlight right along that edge of the candle. And wipe my brush clean, tap off and pull down, blend that in. You can continue to add as many layers as you want to your candle here. I think it looks pretty good. Let's add just a little bit of bright white right here along this edge, right there.